everyone. Today we are going to get some knowledge about descriptive writing. Now what is this descriptive writing? Descriptive writing is a skill or way of writing in which the student who is writing, he will try to create the image through his writing in the mind of the person who is going to read through the sensory organs. Okay, so whenever he will write his writing part, okay, he will take it through hearing, through the smell of it or through the feel of it. The writer will make the person who is reading feel as if the person is experiencing that thing.
Noise of animals and it was killed.
You have to describe that quietness.
All animals are quiet and the jungle was very smooth.
Yes, actually there was no noise of animals.
Okay, we have done some of the hands-on activities. Hands-on activities are where the students did some of the activities like sandwich making. In Visit to a Sea, actually we took the students to feel the sand, the sea beach sand. Okay, so this all things they did. They even did the germination of the seed.
Vicky, how was the taste? Chocolatey, cheesy and buttery. Yeah, the taste of chaat masala. It feels spongy and soft. It's yummy. It is very tasty and chocolatey. It feels smooth, colorful.
Just have this thing in your mind. Okay, look at the picture and then think about it. How are you going to describe the picture with the use of your 5 sensory organs?
I can feel comfy mattress and the noise of the waves coming.
How does it feeling? How is it feeling?
It is tickling my toes.
Tickling your toes.
It's feeling smooth.
Smooth.
Tickling my toes and it's slippery.
How is it feeling?
Smooth and soft.
It smells like wet sand. It is smelling refreshing, coconut and like beach water. It smells like all the flowers. The smell is mixed with coconut smell. Coconut?
Why it smells like coconut? What is there on the beaches?
Coconut tree.
Rough and soft. Very soft.
Seed coats are feeling like soft and sticky. This sound is like very fresh and clean smell there. Wow, it smells very soily. It is wet and very rough. There are small granules in it. I like its texture. These seeds are very hard, but its layers are very smooth, and its colors is green. When rain falls, the same smell I get from here.
So through this all things, okay, through hands-on activities, the students were able, okay, to make use of their sensory organs, that which are the organs that are working over there, okay, what they are feeling, what they are able to smell, what they are able to see.
It feels spongy, sweet, soft, squishy. Yes. So sticky also, buttery also. Sticky, okay. And this all things, using these sensory organs, they have described their writing in a very beautiful way. One more thing we did over here is there will be peer checking. Peer checking means first whatever the students has written, that would be checked by their partners. So when we do peer checking, the partners also become alert that what I have to, what he is reading about and what is wrong in that. So this improves the alertness of a student. And after that peer checking is done, then the checking is done by the teachers, and finally it goes in the final process of descriptive writing. So this was the process of descriptive writing where the students enjoyed it very much.
Okay, the different topics that were given to them, the hands-on activities, this all the students enjoyed very much, and they have written beautiful paragraph about their activities. Thank you.